call me Aggie.
Oh, Aggie? I've always known you as Agama. I know that having die hard, so I keep calling you Agama.
Alright, let's not make a mountain out of a molehill. Can we meet today?
Of course. Where would you like to meet?
Tonight on my way back home.
Sure, see you tonight. Hi, Agaman.
Hello, Lisa.
Hi, Sam. Sorry. You sounded quite serious earlier. What was so important?
So, I'm throwing a party this weekend and you all are invited.
I'm afraid most of our friends already have plans to celebrate Tihar. I don't think they'll be able to attend your party. How about you come to our celebration?
What? No. Who celebrates Tihar in a foreign land? Instead, we should go with the flow and celebrate my party in a more modern way.
I'm sorry, Agaman. I miss my culture deeply. Home is where the heart is, and I truly want to celebrate Tihar with everyone. I'm really sorry. We won't be able to celebrate your party.
Swarnim, who do you think is right?
I think Krisa is right. A nation's culture is its soul, and we should not forget where we are. Sorry, Agaman.
Fine, everyone can go their way. I'll celebrate my party my way.
The story takes another turn when Agaman is left angry and disappointed. It's hard to be angry because Krisha chose tradition over modernization. She refused to attend his birthday party so she could honor the festival of Tihar with her friends. To Agaman, it felt like rejection. But to Krisha, it was a matter of identity and belonging.
आज तिहारको दिन घरमा फोन गर्नुपर्ने
हेलो
दर्शन आमा
भाटे पार्नुहोस् मैले चाहिएको सबै कुरा पुऱ्याओस्
अनि आमा आज तिहारको दिन टिका लाउने सायद पनि हुनाइसक्यो आमा भाइ के गर्दैछ त
भाइ त के अरे त्यो पल्लो घर दिदी थाहा छ नि उनीसँग टिका लाउनु गएको छ आज कस्तो दुखी भएको थियो त नभएर हो कि
ए हो
तँलाई के भयो त किन रोएकी फोन पनि काटेको छैन ल आमाले कति पिपर्ला
अनि आमा सुन्दै थिए सुना पनि आउँदैछ आमा भोट नि भर पर्दै युवा आएर है मलाई नेपाल आउनु मन छ क्या तिमी बुढी भइसक्यौ नि तिम्रो साह्रै भन्न छ आमा आमा भोट
मलाई पनि घरको कस्तो नि आँसु लागेको छ अब पढाइ सकाएर अर्को वर्ष नेपाल फर्किनुला नि त ए हेर त हाम्रो भिडियोमा कति धेरै भ्युज आएछ लाटी कति हुन्छस् टिकटकबाट
अनि एउटा नयाँ गीत सुनेको थिएँ नि कस्तो भाइरल भइरहेको रहेछ पन्छीमाले आफै भन्दै रहेछ नि ल सर्च गरिहाल्छ त्यो गीत
3, 2, 1